He was strong, his fame was known. Victory came, but not his own. God's hand lifted, kingdom grew, but pride came in and stole the view. Oh, the heart can rise so high and forget the Lord Most High, but the crown will fade away if we leave the narrow way. Pride will tear the mighty down. Grace is found on humble ground. Lift his name, not all the glory to his throne. Pride will fade, but love remains. Only God forever reigns. Isaiah's hands reach where they should not. The altar fire was not his life. The pussy marked what pride had sown. The king now broken, left alone. Oh, the strong become the weak when it's honor they still seek. But the humble find his grace shining from the Father's face. Pride will tear the mighty down. Grace is found on humble ground. Lift his name, not alone. All the glory to his throne. Pride will fade, but love remains. Only God forever reigns. Oh, keep my heart from falling high. Keep my hands pure, keep my eyes. Let me walk in holy fear, knowing you are always near. I will tear the mighty down. Grace is found on humble ground. Lift his name.